Hello everyone. Today let's discuss about how to sort a dictionary by value. So dictionary has key and value pair. Okay. So they may ask, we need to sort the dictionary based on either by the value or by the key. So now here the question or the trick we are going to learn today is about how we can sort a dictionary by the value instead of the key. Okay. So let's take for example we have this sample dictionary. Like apple is the key and its value is 3. Similarly banana and cherry also its keys and value pair. Now if you wanted to sort this dictionary such a way like whichever the value is lower one, that should come first. Basically it is a ascending order. Okay, so how we can do this? So I'm going to discuss about at least 3 methods which can be helpful for sorting the dictionary by value. The first method is sort the dictionary value by the function. So here what we are doing, finally we should return the value should be in terms of the dictionary only, and we are taking help of the sorted function. So here what is the input to this particular function is the dictionary itself. Here we can see that to sorted dictionary by value function we are passing the sample dictionary, so the input is dictionary. So the d dot items will iterate over the dictionary items, like for the first time it will iterate will be like a apple 3, banana 1 and cherry 2. Okay, that particular thing we are taking help of the get value function. We are passing each item from the dictionary to this particular function. Each time what happens is the input comes like this as a tuple: apple 3 and then banana 1 and cherry 3. So each time when we pass this particular item, it will pass that particular item apple and the banana wala and then the cherry. Okay, now what we are returning from here, so the first 0th element is a key and the value 1 is 3. Each time what we are returning the value of that particular dictionary, that is going to the key for sorting function, that in turn will convert into the sorted dictionary. Okay, now we are printing the sorted by value using the function method. Now let's execute this. So here we can see that it is sorted in terms of the value in the ascending order from lower to higher values order. Similarly we have a method 2. Okay, in method 2 sort dictionary by value using the lambda. So the value the function name is sort dictionary by value lambda. So here again the input is the dictionary, and again we are using the same sorted function here, but the key we are not defining any new function. So we know that the lambda function already. If you do not know about the lambda, videos are available in this channel. Please go through that. We are giving input as item. Similarly when we are iterating over the dictionaries, so each item we are giving and we are getting the value again from that item, similar to this like apple 3 and banana 1 and cherry 3. Okay, again we are sorting out and we are making a dictionary and we are returning it. Okay, now let's run the second one as well. Okay, now we can see the second one also giving the similar input. The third method is sort dictionary by value using the item getter. Again the input is a dictionary, we are using a similar functions. Here for the key we are directly using the item getter of 1. Similarly it will return the value of the apple, value of the banana, value of the cherry, and it will sort it out based on the values, and that values we are printing out here. Let me execute now. So here we can see all the 3 times we got the same output. Okay, so this way we can sort out the dictionary based on the value. Okay, so if you have any questions, please drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please smash the subscribe button and hit the like button and share it with your friends. We'll meet you in the next video.